Missing numbers. Write the missing numbers in the boxes to complete his calculations. 10 times 4 equals 40. 5 times 10 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 2 equals 20. 3 times 10 equals 30. 10 times 10 equals 100. Number wheel. Help and complete the number wheel. Multiply each number with 10 to fill in the blank spaces. 10 times 10 equals 100. 6 times 10 equals 60. 5 times 10 equals 50. 9 times 10 equals 90. 0 times 10 equals 0. 4 times 10 equals 40. 3 times 10 equals 30. 1 times 10 equals 10. 7 times 10 equals 70. Calculations. Help T complete these calculations. Write the answers in the circles. 10 times 8 equals 80. 3 times 10 equals 30. 10 times 5 equals 50. 1 times 10 equals 10. 7 times 10 equals 70. 10 times 0 equals 0. 10 times 6 equals 60. 2 times 10 equals 20. 4 times 10 equals 40. 10 times 10 equals 100. 9 times 10 equals 90. 10 times 2 equals 20. 8 times 10 equals 80. 5 times 10 equals 50. Pineapple trees. Count up the pineapple in trees, follow the arrows, and write the new total under each group. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Adding in threes. Help Croc add up these numbers. Write the totals in the circles. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3, 6. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Equal groups. Help and describe the groups below in 2 different ways. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. Groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 1, 2, 3. 3 parrots. 7 times 3 equals 21 parrots. Dice dots. Count in threes to help you write a multiplication calculation for each row of dice. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. Calculation match up. Help Beth find the answer to these calculations. Draw a line to match each one with the correct answer. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 10 is 30. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 3 is 9. Bar diagrams. Help 1010 complete each bar diagram and calculation. Write the correct numbers in all the blank spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 1, 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. Right or wrong? Put a tick next to the calculations that are correct and a cross next to the ones that are wrong. 3 times 6 equals 18. Correct. 3 times 2 equals 5. Wrong. 10 times 3 equals 30. Correct. 3 times 9 equals 26. Wrong. 5 times 3 equals 15. Correct. 3 times 0 equals 3. Wrong. Equal groups. Help Lam describe the groups below in 2 different ways. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. Groups 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 butterflies. 3 times 9 equals 27 butterflies. Missing numbers. Write the missing numbers in the boxes to complete these calculations. 10 times 3 equals 30. 5 times 3 equals 15. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. Number wheel. Help Lab complete the number wheel. Multiply each number with 3 to fill in the blank spaces. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 6 is 18. Calculations. Help complete these calculations. Write the answers in the circles. 3 times 7 is 21. 0 times 3 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 times 3 is 30. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 8 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 0 times 3 is 0. Lollipop sixes. Count up the lollipops in sixes, follow the arrows and write the new total under each group. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Adding in sixes. Help Croc add up these numbers. Write the total in the circles. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6, 12, 18. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Equal groups. Help and describe the groups below in two different ways. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. Groups 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 umbrellas. 4 times 6 equals 24 umbrellas. Dice dots. Count in sixes to help you write in multiplication calculation for each row of dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. 1, 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 6 equals 60.